To get started, you need a Roblox Studio. If you don't have Roblox Studio, then click the link at the top of the video's description to download it. So first, you're going to want to open up a blank base plate in Roblox Studio. Under the View menu, open Explorer, Properties, and Output. The Explorer is a holder for everything inside of your game. That could be anything from scripts, to parts, to players, to characters, and so on. The Properties panel is used for changing the properties of items in Roblox. For a quick example, you can change the brick's color inside the property panel. You can also edit things like its name, its transparency so you can see through it, and so on and so forth. The output is a tool for developers to use for finding bugs in their scripts. When a script errors, a message will be visible here telling you what's causing the error, so you'll be able to fix it. Press Ctrl and I at the same time to open the Insert menu. In here, we're going to type in part to insert a part and script to insert a script. Double click the options to add them into your game. You'll notice that the script that you inserted is already opened and there's already a line of Lua code written inside of it. Print is a core function. What it does is it sends a message to the output based on whatever text you have within the quotation marks. The text inside the quotation marks is referred to as a string in scripting syntax. Printing is mainly used in testing and bug fixing your scripts. Press F5 to start a testing session in Studio. In the output, you can see Hello World has been written by the print function. Press Shift and F5 together to close the testing session. Reopen the script that we added earlier and delete the current code. Now we're going to declare a local variable called part and link it to the part we added earlier inside of Workspace. A variable is a thing that allows us to assign data to a specific phrase for future use. Variables can store strings, numbers, booleans, which means true or false, references to physical objects such as bricks, and a whole lot more. You can name the variable whatever you want, so long as it doesn't start with a number, and only uses letters, underscores, and numbers. Now, using the variable that we defined, we're going to change the part's color to red using the brickColor.new function. There are multiple ways to change a brick's color through code, but this is the most basic way. When defining the color's name, using brickColor.new, you need to make sure you spell the name correctly and place the capital letters in the correct place. To make this easier for you, I've linked a page in the video's description with a list of all the available brick colors on Roblox. Next, we're going to change the transparency of the brick so you can see through it. Transparency works on a scale of 0 to 1, where 0 is fully visible and 1 is completely invisible. We're going to set the transparency to 0.5, which equates to 50% transparent. To change the material of the part from plastic to brick, we're going to grab the brick material from the numerical material list. Using enum values will allow you to see what other options for materials you can use on the part from within the script editor. Now I'm going to add comments to each line to show what each line does. A comment is a segment of code that is ignored when the script is run. It allows you to leave messages and reminders inside your code without causing any code to error. To make a comment, make 2 dash symbols, then write what you want. Press F5 again to go into another test session. The brick that we inserted earlier is now red, transparent, and its material is changed to brick. You can easily tweak the code to change the color, material, and transparency to play around with it to get a bit of a better idea of what is going on. You can also use the run option to run your code in Studio without having to load your character into the game. From this, we can see the brick change right in front of us. So that's about it for this first tutorial. If you want more of these quick to the point coding tutorials, then like this video and subscribe to this channel. I intend to upload 3 of these types of videos each week, every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.